Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of my videos. And wow, I love those hairstyles so much, and it's so beautiful, perfect for school, and it's simple and a protective style for your girl to grow your hair back again. So here I'm using my spray bottle to spray the hair to work on it easy. And if you want to know what is in my spray bottle, comment in the comment section. So here I use a leave-in conditioner to moisturize the hair and also hair butter. So here I'm patting the hair into two sections using the ears as a guide, and I started with the back. So the back is a twist hairstyle, is the twist, and the front is the cornrow. So here I go in with my shine and jam for the edges to be neat, and this is my headband. I just use a little bit of hair oil on it to help with the hair, so that when I am braiding it, it wouldn't take away some of the hair to cause any breakage. So I spray every hair or every section that I make, I spray in it so that I can comb through to detangle it. So this is the second hair I am doing, just to twist it, and it's also beginner friendly. You can use this and learn how to twist your girl's hair too. So I just do the same, I repeat the same process to complete the braids. Thank you so much for my returning subscribers. Thank you for the love and the support. And if you are new here, my name is Deborah, and in this channel I do hairstyles for little girls because I have 3 girls and they all have hair. So I use this opportunity to make their hair and also do my hair and then post it. So we post every week. Yes, so kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much. So this is the last part of the twist, and we are going to continue with the cornrow. So enjoy some music and watch to the end, and kindly like, hit the thumbs up, share this video, and also comment. Thank you.